Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're playing Gato Roboto. I never played this game before, so bear with me. I will probably suck at this game. So yeah, all I know about this game is that it's a 2D game. It looked really cool on Steam, so that's why I bought it. Now we're gonna play it. Let's see what's going on. File 1. Okay, yeah, let's go with file 1. New game. Let's go. Geary to mission control. Come in. Mission control over. $420.69. Wow. Lieutenant. Just sounds so funny. Hold on, kitty. Okay. Okay, so I can move now. And I have two ways to go, either left or right. Let's go left. Okay. Oh, I can climb. Okay, only... Wait, what? How... Oh, I can jump again and again and again and again. Okay. Water. What's wrong, kitty? No, kitty. Oh. What's up in here? Nothing? Okay. Oh. Where do I go? Left? Okay, it looks like it's closed. Let's go down. Where do I go? Right or down? Looks like down. It's also closed. Going down. Looks like a boss fight in here or something. It's gonna be soon. Or something. What is this? Great work, Kiki. Damn. Press O. Okay, so Z. Okay, that's how we eject. Can you... Okay. I just realized there is a timer. Wait. Oh god damn it, I suck at the game. Holy shit, I suck. The controls are not that intuitive. Okay, I have to manually do that. God damn. Maybe we should change the controls. Because jumping is space and then shooting. What shooting should I do? Maybe control. Let's do control. Can I? Oh, I can see the map. Full screen, volume, music, quick to title, palette. I cannot change the controls now. Alright, I guess I'll have to suffer a little bit. Oh damn, dude. Oh shit. Die. Wait, can I die? Are you serious, bro? Alright. Oh, I have like a max range also. Why everything just came out to life now? Oh shit. No. Wait, what? I guess I cannot go there. Can I shoot through this? How about the rocket? I don't have a rocket. Okay. Oh, so I can go up. What if I go... Oh! Can we go to the water? That's not cool. I think I'm gonna die soon. Oh, I can shoot this thing to open it. I just realized that. Where in the fuck, dude? Another thing, what's that? Oh! Wait, if I go back, will the frogs respawn? Of course they will respawn. Okay. Okay, so I cannot go there. That's closed. What? Again, the question, same question, left or right? I mean, now we know the answer. It's left. Don't touch the water. I think I'm in the same place. From where I came from. Oh fuck, no, oh! What the hell is that? Oh. God damn it. I'm just camping here. Alright. So if I go back, will it be the same thing? Okay, nice. I've conquered this room. Okay, I cannot go there. Oh, I have to eject in order to go there. I'm in water. Do I need like air or something? Okay, nothing in here. Okay. God damn it. Yeah. Parkour in here. What the hell is it? Let me just go back. Let's try. What? Damn, dude. Okay, let's go. What is this? Is it like a secret room or something? What is this? A rocket? Oh. That's a rocket. Alright. Let's go. Now we can break those shits. Let's go, baby. Doesn't damage me, which is good. Can go up too. Oh. What is this flower? What the hell is that? I don't have. Oh yeah. Oh, it gets hot, so I cannot spam rockets. Okay, I see. Boom, chakalaka. Oh damn, it even pushes me back. Let's go, 1 HP. Let's go, rats. Defeat the squeaky foe. Oops. How did I forgot how to jump, lol. Oh no, there is water. No. I see, so I gotta... How do I get up there? I cannot. So, what if I try... No, I can't get up there. I have to use something else. Whoa. Oh damn, what the fuck? Did I just reset myself? Where am I? Oh, I was there. I was here, I mean. Oh damn. I think I already was here. Oh, I cannot go up there, so gonna have to go back. Okay, so I cannot fall because if I fall, I have to reset. Yeah. I think I'm getting better at this. So I fell here, right? I think I fell there, yeah. Don't fall there. Oh, that's where I came from. Oh. Oh, look at that. Look at that. What is this? Okay. No. Is this a boss fight? Shit. Okay. Wait, how do I get out now? Oh, what the fuck? How did I do that? Oh. Oh, you see that? I didn't even know I can do that. Oh, okay, so I was here at the beginning. Alright, I guess thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna end it here. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and tell me, do you want to see more videos like this? If yes, I will make more. Alright, see you later. Goodbye.